Welcome back to Motorize. This is the 2026 Lexus RZ 550e F Sport. It is more powerful, sportier electric SUV. We are going to discuss its appearance, interior, performance, range, features, price and the date of release. Let's start it. The RZ 550e F Sport is more daring and sporty. It features F Sport bumpers, a blacked out grille, large air intakes, and triplet looking LED headlights. The side skirts are sporty, the mirrors gloss black and the 20-inch alloy wheels round out the appearance. The rear is fitted with a large LED light bar and less rounded lines to facilitate stability in high-speed driving. On the whole, it is more aggressive and performance-oriented compared to the usual RZ. This dual-motor all-wheel drive F Sport has more power. It is supposed to be approximately 300 to 320 horsepower, which will result in faster acceleration compared to the RZ 450e. It has a new battery pack which has the capacity to travel 217 to 248 miles in real life. The suspension is sport oriented. Steering is stiffer and the steering is more controlled, thus handling better. It can charge between 10% to 80% within approximately 30 minutes. Hence it is prepared to make long trips. The RZ 550e F Sport has sport seats featuring contrast stitching, aluminium pedals, and an F Sport steering wheel in the interior. It is equipped with the 14-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, digital speedometers, and cloud-based maps. The interior consists of soft touch walls, sweet trims, and indirect lighting. It has a panoramic roof, intelligent climate control, and extremely comfortable rear seats. Due to the fact that the electric floor is a flat surface, the cabin is well fitted, well driver-centered, and high quality. Key features include Mark Levinson premium audio, lane assist and adaptive cruise control, 360-degree camera, digital rear view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, over-the-air updates. Top-tier safety is included in Lexus Safety System Plus. Lexus RZ 550e F Sport is estimated to be between $62,000 and $68,000 according to the trim. It is set to be unveiled officially in the late 2025 and it will begin delivery in 2026. Your brief impression of the Lexus RZ 550e F Sport of 2026 is sportier, more powerful, more luxurious than ever. Comment, like and subscribe to Motorize for more reviews.